It's a slightly cloudy day in Tampa today, but we're off down south. Gonna head down to Everglades City. Let's see if we can sneak onto one of the boat trips, go around the Everglades. Not too far. It's only about a 3-hour ride down the interstate. I'm going to say now I'm wearing pants and a jacket again because obviously doing 3 hours down the interstate. Yeah, we want to wear our protective clothing, but when we stop at these traffic lights, oh my goodness, it's insanely hot, borderline unbearable. Alright, enough's enough. We need to take these jackets off. This is hot. So, seeing that gas station over, perfect. Alright, let's strip off. That is so much better. Get some air on my arms. Let the sweat dry out. And let's fly down for another 45 minutes, 40 minutes, and then check into Gator Town. Well, looks like we made it. Home sweet home. Everglades City Motel. So if it is, we can get checked in and then grab a snack and then go see the Everglades. First hot dog in America. The chili cheese dog. Very good. So we're going to go for a wander, find an airboat and see the Everglades, and also hopefully a couple of gators. Everglades City, cool place, I like it.
We were looking to do an airboat ride, so I wondered if you had anything available.
Luckily, we have airboat rides.
Yeah, mate.
We were hoping.
Is it just you two?
Yes, it is, yeah.
I can send you guys at 2:15.
Perfect.
That works
Rock
for
and roll.
us. Yeah.
Let's do it. Ask and you shall receive, my friends.
Perfect.
All right. Get you on next, bud. Come on down.
Yes.
Get you on the far side there.
The big boy seat.
All right, you got to hang on to what you brought. Hats, sunglasses, camera cases, anything that might blow away. Keep a tight hold.
There you go. I enjoyed it, but no gators. You didn't see a gator, did you guys? No. Yeah, good fun. Yeah, so we're gonna head to City Seafood. So not disappointed, but different to what you were expecting.
I just thought there would be more life to see. It was cool, it was good. I mean, going through the mangrove tunnels and that was...
I was expecting to like beat off gators with a stick or something and be poking them off. I like throwing like a chicken. And I don't know, I had like Temple of Doom in my head. That amount of gators. Ticked off the list.
Yeah, done it.
Yeah. Do the Everglades, yeah, it's the best. Cool. Little soft shell crab, scallop, shrimps and fries. Perfect. We've got fried seafood because it's closing. This one looks the most interesting, obviously. A little crabby. Oh, hot. And a shrimp. I do like the shrimp. Shrimps are good. Scallop. Hot. I don't think we could beat this location right on about. Right on the edge of the Everglades. Beautiful.
Gooey.
You've just been squirted with crab juice. Well, I think the only way to really eat is all in one. Half a crab. One appetit. Oh. Crabby and the shrimp are the best. I think the scallops are the weird ones. Happy days. 2 kronas on the table. Not usually double parts, but Gaz is nailing it today. Gaz is on fire. Well, I have to say Gator City is the quietest city I've ever been in. Definitely a ghost town. Oh well, we've got plenty of time to just sit back and do some research for the craziness to come in Key West. Well, we've had a fun day in Everglades City. Airboat was great. Little restaurant right on the waterfront, really nice. But yeah, I think that's about it from Everglades City. As you can see around me, it's a pretty quiet place. There's nothing going on. Early night, so we can get up early and head down to Key West. Perfect.